Heidi ho, guys and gals, it's Ridge, your favorite neighborhood tool bear, reminding you to go to struggleville.net to get the most amazing deals on tools every single day. But I also wanted to let you know that you can create your own tool bear. It's easy and it's free. Watch me go. Look at me go. I'm going over here. I'm going over here. Mad tool bear. Don't tell secret. So, to create your own little animated tool bear, which his name is actually Frank, but whatever, you download Animaze. This is the Animaze desktop application. You get it through Steam. It is free. You can pay more to unlock different features and such, but what I'm doing right here, all free. Free tool bear. So if we go over here, look at this. Bam! Frank the Brown Bear. It's just a preset that is automatically saved in this program. We can change his colors. We can make him a brown bear. We can do all sorts of stuff here. We can give him these red eyes. We can do this, blah, blah, blah. See? We do all these things. Then we have his body. Oh, bottom color. I don't see a bottom, so I don't know. And then you can see the different backgrounds we can give him. We can give him a hat. Do you want him to wear a hat? No, we don't want a hat. How about a little pink bow? Oh, yeah, that looks cute on him. Oh, isn't he cute? And look over here. We can even get him to wave. This box is going to be in the way, but look at him wave. Look at him wave. Did you see the wave? Oh, yeah. We can give a thumbs up. Bam, thumbs up. We can shrug. Oops. Now, once you get your animated bear all set up just how you want him, you download a program called OBS Studio. I have my OBS Studio here, and from this point, you're going to add a capture device. The Animaze desktop shows you how to do the whole thing. You just click this little add button, you click the Animaze virtual desktop, and then you can either start streaming or you can start recording. And going back here, if we go to the learn to stream thing, it gives you the whole setup. You can do the transparent background, so you can do a screen capture of what you're looking at your desktop, or you can have the full screen background like I have. It's free and easy. It takes 2 minutes to do. Make your own bear. Make Red say anything you want. You can do it. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And go check out struggleville.net for the most amazing tool deals. Hang on. Give me my good side.